Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to download and install Grok. Grok is an AI-powered assistant developed by Elon Musk's company, XAI. Its core mission is to be a maximally truthful and curious AI, often described as having a more direct, witty, and less filtered personality compared to other chatbots. What makes Grok unique is its deep integration with the social media platforms X. It has a real-time access to public X data, allowing it to tap into live trends, news, and conversations as they happen. Beyond answering questions, Grok is also creative too. It can generate striking images and videos, edit uploaded photos, and even turn static image into short video clip. Additional features include voice chat mode, the ability to process uploaded files, and interactive AI companions with distinct personality. So to install this app, go to Play Store, select Apps and search Grok. Select on it Grok AI chat and video. XAI 4.7 stars, 3 million reviews, and 100 million downloads. Select install. So the app is installed. Select open. Understand the universe. Continue with Google, continue with email, or continue with X. So I'm going to continue with X, for example. Grok Android want to access your S account. So you can use S account to sign in. Then you select authorize app. So it's getting ready. Access to premium intelligence. So you have Super Grok Heavy. Monthly price £29.49 or yearly price. You can also upgrade to Super Grok, but it's not compulsory. I'm going to skip. Get notification. I'm going to skip get notification. Can ask any question or speak and give access to microphone. Let's say if you want to ask any question, you can type the question or you can speak on the microphone. You can say, how are you? How are you doing? Please give us 5 side hustle. 5 side hustle to start online to make income. Then you submit. Then it asks you to confirm your age. Then you scroll and confirm your age. Then you select continue. Select save. Then it will start to generate. So this is the information generated. The response, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Always energized and ready to help with ideas like this. Here are 5 practical online side hustles you can start with minimal or upfront investment. These are beginners friendly, scalable, and have a real income potential in 2026. I will include how to get started and realistic tips for each. First one, freelance service, writing, designing, and video editing. Offer skills like copywriting, graphic design, social media management, or visual assistance on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelance. How to start. Create a profile showcasing your skills, even if starting with samples. Use free tools like Canva, ChatGPT for draft, or CapCut for editing. Bid on beginner's job. Then it will show you the potentials, $500 to $5,000 plus a month once you build reviews. Tip, specialize in niche. Example, AI prompts, LinkedIn content, and deliver fast to get 5-star ratings quickly. Then second option, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, or blogging. Create videos or articles around your interest. finance, tech, fitness, gaming, and monetize through ad, sponsorships, or affiliates. How to start: use your phone to record short-form contents on TikTok, Reel/YouTube Shorts. Grow an audience, then enable monetization, add affiliate links like Amazon Associate, etc. Potential $1,000 to $10,000 per month with consistent posting and growth. Tip: focus on solving problems or trends. Post daily/regular. Use SEO tools like TubeBuddy or free analytics. Selling digital products. Create and sell downloadable items like printable planners, worksheets, ebooks, stock photos, templates, or online courses on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own Shopify store. How to start: use Canva or Google Doc to make products. List them with good description and images. Promote via Pinterest or social media. Potential passive income of $500 to $4,000 per month after building a catalog. Tip: start with low competitive niche. Example, niche planners for teachers or fitness tracker. Once you have one winner, create variation. The fourth side hustle is online tutoring or coaching. Teach subjects you are good at. Languages, maths, music, career skills, or offer coaching. Fitness, business, live via Zoom. How to start: sign up on Preply, iTaki, VipKid, or Superproof, or use LinkedIn/Facebook group to find clients. Create simple profile highlighting your expertise. Potential $20 to $100 per hour, $1,000 to $3,000 per month part-time. Tips: record intro videos and offer a free trial session to build testimonials. Certifications help but aren't always required. Then number 5 is affiliate marketing. Promote other companies' goods, Amazon, ClickBank, Shopify partners, and earn commission on sales through your link. How to start: build a presence on a blog free on mediums like WordPress.com, Instagram, or email list. Review products honestly and share links. Potential $500 to $10,000 per month as traffic grow. Choose products you actually like/use. Combine with content creation for better results. Disclose affiliation transparently. General advice to succeed: dedicate consistent time, 10 to 12 hours per week. Build an email list or social media following early. Track expense for taxes. Start small. Learn from free resources, YouTube tutorials, and reinvest earnings. Avoid getting rich quick scheme. Focus on value and persistence. It's asking us which of these interests you most. I can give you more detailed step tools and even smarter plan for one. So the next prompt, you can give the next prompt and continue. So this is how to install Grok and also give a prompt, and it will give you ideas, whichever information you are seeking or you want to more details about it. This is how to use Grok on your mobile phone. If you have subscription, it's better, but you can also use this without subscription. They will give you a limited time to use this. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is how to download and install Grok on your mobile phone. Thank you very much indeed.